Hi, and welcome back. I'm Nina Simone. Today's subject is when other children or relationships feel overlooked. There's a quiet grief many parents carry but rarely talk about. It's the realization that while one child needed urgent attention, others learned to stay quiet. If you've ever worried that your focus on one child caused others to feel overlooked, this message is for you. When one child is in crisis, the family naturally rearranges around that need. Time shifts, energy shifts, attention shifts. And often the children who are doing okay learn not to ask for much. They don't want to add to the stress, so they shrink. Over time, this can look like distance, resentment, unspoken hurt, not because anyone intended harm, but because imbalance lasted too long. Many parents only realize this later when it's too late and the guilt can feel overwhelming. Awareness does not mean failure, it means opportunity. You cannot rewrite the past, but you can repair the present. God is a God of restoration. He redeems what feels lost. He reveals what feels broken. Repair does not require perfection, but it does require presence. Repair starts with honesty, not explanations, not justifications, but simple truth. You might say, I see now that this has been hard on you, or I wish I had been more present, or I want to do better now. I want you to ask yourself gently, who may have learned to shrink while I was surviving? Where can I re enter with intention? Let compassion, not guilt, guide you. Your willingness to notice does matter. Your presence still matters. It is not too late to restore balance in your family, in your home. So, in the next episode, we'll talk about what happens when marriages or close relationships take the back seat and how to strengthen them again. Healing does not happen all at once, it happens one honest step at a time.